Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. Yeah, it's Wednesday, guys. It's Wednesday. So let's see what's really happening. Yesterday, yes, we did smash the market, and unfortunately, we did not go actually on our live session. Let me do something like this. We did not actually go on our live session as we did not actually have power. As you know, there is this thing called a load shedding. So, but it's fine because we did actually eat. We did actually eat in the group. So if you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. Just WhatsApp me or Telegram me. So, yeah, let's see. Without wasting your time, I think it's already late, by the way. We can just go straight to the analysis. As you know, we start with Bitcoin. So what's really happening actually? Bitcoin is still very strong on that bearish move. Actually, the market is still pushing the lower side. But I think I've been explaining this for quite some time that the market actually, yes, was actually giving us a sell. And here you can see that you see around this area, the market also it's respecting that area. So it means the market can actually play around this area. The market is actually consolidating maybe before even breaking this support area, then continue with the sell, or maybe breaking this resistance there, and then you can think about buying. Simple as that. So yeah, I think there's nothing much. I think the market is actually like seriously bleeding, especially on cryptocurrencies, you see. So yeah, I think maybe yesterday I did show because I think since we were unable to go on our live session, I just want to show you something, a small clip, actually a small clip of a video that we actually on our signal group. I hope you can see this. Let me hide the names there. So yeah, let's click this. Maybe we'll see this. You can see, I don't know if maybe you can hear the voice and stuff like that, but very nice moves. I think maybe news. I think maybe it was the news. You can see that. So yeah, the account is on 3 point something. You can see that we made something. We just deposited this 340. I think it was last week Thursday. Yeah, that actually was a bit risky. But by the way, what I was trying to explain there is last week Thursday, I think it was around 10th. Yeah, I think it was around 10th. I deposited actually 350 just to show how like we can grow actually a smaller account. Actually, I was just trying to do this also for the robot, but I'll have to create another actually account just to plug the robot, and I think I will actually need VPS for that. So yeah, from that 340 at the end of the day, actually yesterday it was on 3,000, which was great because from this area it means we quadrupled this amount like within actually 4 days or 3 days if we don't really count the weekend, you see. So yeah, from 340 to 3,000, so it's like 10 times this. So it means we can also make 10 times this 3,000 maybe within 2 weeks or something, but it's actually risky. And 10 times that is actually around 30,000, and 10 times 30,000 is actually almost 300,000. So it means, yeah, you can actually make it. You can actually make it in the market. But just know that here I was over risking because yesterday actually the lot size was 1. So let me just let the video do its thing. The account is on 3 point something. You can see that we made something. We just deposited this 340. I think it was last week Thursday. Now we are on 3,000 something. The profit is actually 2.7. So yeah, I think it's great. If you want to be part of the team, you know, Prime EA is actually on $100 for this week only, and yeah, I think that is enough. That is enough. You can see we have like 200 actually 13 people in the signal group. So if you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. You know what to do. So yes, I was just completing actually Bitcoin that we are still on this bearish move. So let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one. So what's really happening on DAX or German 30 is quite straightforward. We are on a nice bullish move. You can see that the market is been pushing to the upside. But from this area, I can say actually this is very steep, man. This is like aggressively pushing to the upside. So that comes with some like seriously aggressive rejection. The market can still come back very aggressively before pushing up, unless if maybe things are like seriously looking good, maybe we'll see the market continuing with this type of a trend. But I'm expecting a small push. But from this area, as we are on a 4 hours time frame, if the market goes above this or moves above this resistant area, I'm expecting to have another position above that, and that we can call it a buy stop or something like that. And then yeah, but don't just place orders on a bigger time frame. I'm on a 4 hour time frame here just to show you the analysis actually, but or how I was going to do it. So you should maybe use for 15 minutes or whatever the smaller time frame that you're going to use to take those trades, you see. So yeah, I see something like that, but actually I think the market will one way or another reverse. But anyways, we'll just wait for the market. We don't really actually have to guess. So let's push to the next one, which is gold. What's really happening on gold? Yes, we are still on that bullish momentum. This is actually 4 hours time frame. I'll just actually go on 2 hours just to show you what's really happening. What's really happening here is quite straightforward also. You can see that we are on an aggressive bullish move. So if I zoom closer there, you can easily see that the market actually touched our support. But this support area is also very steep, so there is a chance for the market to break that easily. But for now, since the market is respecting that area, we have a buy pending order. If the market is really, it seriously wants to push the upside, our order will be there. But again, I see something here like a resistance. That might be actually, yeah, I think that is a resistance. So it means we can push this here. Then we have a quite similar structure on top there. Then if this shows that actually the market is actually still on that bullish move. I wasn't aware of this, but I think I did. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To push here, especially when we touch this support, to break the resistance and push the upside. So for anyone who sees this, if maybe you are already in an order, make sure that if maybe the market reaches this level, let's say maybe 17.84, I think there you should be like whether you lock your profits and try to reduce your stop losses, because there is a chance that the market can still bounce back. But I think maybe the market will also do what? Break that area. So I hope you see that. So we are still actually very bullish on gold. So what's really happening on US oil? I think the market is actually still respecting our downtrend very nice. You can see what's really happened actually, or what's really happening. You can see that around this area the market touched that and pushed lower, and now the market is going there again. So what I can say is we have a structure actually which we can just call it a wedge. So the market is now in this pressure, so it means we can just wait for the market to do what? To break out of this this resistance. Then we can say above that we can have a buy or a buy pending order, or maybe below this support area the market can break that and start to move to the lower side. Yes, they might also see something maybe like this. If they draw something like that, the market might be doing something like that. Or let's try that. Let's try that just to see. We can start from this area, trying to go back, trying to push back, something like that. You see that? That might also be valid, but what I know is the market is actually pushing to the lower side. So it's better to focus on what? On the resistance that we have. Then the market maybe might break this area before doing whatever that I'm trying to show you there. Do you see that? Because we are actually on this downtrend. Actually around this area we should have a sell pending order. If the market pushes lower, our order will be ready. Simple as that. So Let's push to the next one, which is US30. US30. I think I actually missed that. So what's really happening on US30? We are on a very nice aggressive bullish move. You can see that. I think if you did check my previous analysis, you will see that the market is actually on an uptrend. And okay, let me, hello. Sorry guys, I had to take that. So what's really happening here is, yes, the market actually is on a very, very strong bullish move. The market is on a very strong bullish move. So we don't actually have any choice but to continue with this bullish or to continue to buy, because we don't actually go against the trend, right? We don't actually go against the trend. So here, as actually I can say, we missed this entry around this area. So if it comes back, yes, we can take that and say it's a buy, but that will be a very, very short actually trades, because you can see we have a resistance on top there. But we understand that even if maybe we have a resistance on top there, there is a chance that the market can break that, especially as we already know that we are on a bullish move. The market will consolidate like this, then we can take those small buys. If it breaks, it's fine. Then we can also continue with that, because that's how the market might create this type of moves. The market can do that, continue like that. But when we check in a long run, that is going to be a very perfect, nice actually uptrend. This happens most of the time in my group. People already understand how these things move. So anyways, let's push to the next one. I think, yeah, which is gold. Sorry, NASDAQ. Actually, we smashed the NASDAQ yesterday. So what's really happening here is, it's quite straightforward, by the way. The market is still on this bearish move. We are still on a bearish move. Do you see that? So it shows that the market is still under pressure, but maybe that might change. But for us to be sure, it means this resistance that we have here, it has to be broken out. You see, the market has to break this area. The market has to break this area. Beside that, we have to just say we might have some quick buys there or hit and runs, but we know very well that we are still on bearish move. Just because we are buying, it's not like we forgot that maybe the market is still under pressure. So what are we expecting here? I think maybe the market has to touch our support, or sorry, our resistance area before we see another push, or there is a chance that the market can touch this area, break that, and start to push the upside. That is also possible. So if that happens, obviously it will happen while we are here. We will be watching. So I have some great news, guys, but I will tell you actually on Thursday or Friday before on our live session. So I'll be actually going live with someone. So yeah, but I will tell you maybe tomorrow or Friday, because that is going to be on Friday. So yeah, I hope maybe we'll be here later on. We're going to go on our live session also, so we'll see what's really happening. So don't forget to be don't forget that we still have that $50 lifetime signals. This will end this weekend, guys, and also $100 Prime EA. Remember, Prime is going to go on $250, and lifetime signal is also $250. So yeah, if you want to be part of the team, just let me know. Just WhatsApp me. There's a link for WhatsApp, and then yeah, don't forget to smash that subscribe, like, share with your Friends, this is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.